How to delete old wallpapers on iOS 18. Are you someone who has a lot of wallpapers saved on your phone and want to get rid of some of them? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you will unlock your phone using Face ID or enter a password. If the phone is already unlocked, swipe from top to bottom to display the lock screen. To open the editing settings, long press on the screen until the editing options appear. After that, a screen will open where you can see all the wallpapers you have used. But if we want to delete some of the existing ones, we will do the following. We will swipe from the bottom to the top until this option appears, which has a trash can icon. When you click on it, a pop-up will appear in which you need to confirm your decision to delete the wallpaper. If you are sure, just tap on it and that's it. This way you will delete this wallpaper and you can do it with others. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.